Top 5 drinks before bedtime to heal kidney fast. Number 1. Lemon water. Adding lemon to water can provide a boost of vitamin C and citric acid, which may help prevent kidney stones by increasing urine citrate levels and supporting hydration. Number 2. Cranberry juice. Unsweetened cranberry juice is rich in antioxidants and compounds that can help prevent urinary tract infections, which are important for kidney health as infections can lead to complications. Number 3. Ginger tea. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce kidney damage and improve kidney function by lowering inflammation levels in the body. It also supports digestion and overall health. Number 4. Turmeric milk. Turmeric contains curcumin, known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It may help reduce inflammation in the kidneys and protect against kidney disease. Number 5. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is soothing and can help reduce stress and promote relaxation. Lowering stress levels is beneficial for kidney health as chronic stress can impact kidney function.